Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel Brevo subscription. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Brevo website, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Brevo? Pretty simple. Launch any browser of your choice, locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type brevo.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website for Brevo. Once you get in there, follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Brevo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to cancel Brevo subscription. Okay, so the first thing I would like you to do is to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have usage and plan, you have the help, you have notification, of course you have your profile name. So over here you have an extended menu: my profile, my plan, settings, plugins and integrations, standards, domains and dedicated IPs. You have the SMTP and API, user security, compliance, carbon footprint, select your language and logout. So go ahead and click on my plan, and once you click on my plan, it's going to take you right into your subscription window. So now we have the account usage. You have plans, so these are your plans. So I do not have any plan because I'm using the free plan. All right, but if you have selected a plan and you have purchased a plan, right here in this window from the bottom corner, just head over to the bottom corner. Once you get to the bottom corner of this window, you're necessarily not going to see all of these things once you have the plan already. But once you get to the bottom corner of the window, you're going to find an option that says cancel subscription. So go ahead and click on cancel subscription at this bottom corner of your plan page. And once you click on cancel subscription, you will see that your subscription will be canceled. Now, remember, you can only cancel one at a time. You can only cancel one at a time. So that's pretty much the process, how you can cancel your Brevo subscription. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.